When we went up to Logan Canyon and tested all the water up at the springs and at the lakes and hiking and stuff, it was awesome.
I think one of my favorite ones was when we were doing the stream data, like velocity of the river, and we had like the boat thingy and we pulled it across the river. That one was fun.
So see, this is the profile of the river right here. You can tell that that's where that big rock is, because when it's less than 6 inches of water, the sensor can't read it.
Okay, bro, I'm like
When we went and played Ultimate Frisbee, that was really fun, and playing basketball.
We did a lot more like actual like building stuff. We put together the drones and the pollution sensor stuff, and that was really fun for me. I really enjoyed that. So I'm a lot more interested in like the more mechanical type engineering now.
See, there you go. That's how you put it in.
Okay. Zip tie this in an X pattern.
You guys realize.
Well, first, started flying drones. Drove submarines in the water, looked around, tested the temperature, the light intensity.
Before I knew I was going to be an engineer, but I didn't know what type, and now I do. I'm an environmental engineer. Taking test results, that's one of my favorites. And being able to do hands-on things is so much fun. You learn so much more than you ever could in a classroom.
It was great. Like even just like the first day was such like a shock, and then we like got thrown in, and then it was just like, okay, this is amazing. That stuff we'll be able to take with us. Like,
yeah, forever.
We've been here for a week, and I feel like I've learned so much more about everything. Like the paddle boards, those are great, but volleyball was awesome.
Yeah, the water was freezing, and I was not ready for that, but you know, everyone's mood and happiness made me want to jump in, and I did, and it was cold.
I was on the paddleboard, and it got pretty rainy there for a minute, and as soon as the wind started pushing me away, then just went right back to shore.
That was really interesting to get a grasp into like the college life, because it is different from high school and middle school. It's like a new experience, and it's awesome. The final project was my favorite because you expanded more on a specific field and a specific question, and you got to interact more with the professor or the teacher you were with.
This was way fun. I loved this camp.
I've had a blast. It was so much fun.
It was great.
It was awesome.